So far, we've talked about what neuroscience is, why the brain is complex, and how the nervous system works. Now it's time to actually step inside and explore the main parts of the brain. The brain isn't just one big blob. It's organized into different regions, each with special jobs. At the largest scale, the brain has three big regions: cerebrum, the wrinkly, largest part on top; cerebellum, a smaller, little brain, at the back; brainstem, the stalk at the bottom, connecting to the spinal cord. And hidden inside, there's also the limbic system, which handles memory and emotion. Cerebrum, the thinking brain, makes up about 80% of the brain's weight. Split into left and right hemispheres, connected by the corpus callosum, the bridge that lets them communicate. The surface is the cerebral cortex, covered in folds, gyri, and grooves, sulci, to fit more neurons. Each hemisphere is further divided into lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. We'll explore those lobes in detail in the next episode. Everyday example: reading a book, solving a puzzle, or planning your day. That's your cerebrum at work. Cerebellum, the balance coach. Name means little brain. Found at the back, under the cerebrum. Coordinates balance, posture, and smooth movement. Everyday example: when you ride a bike or dance, your cerebellum makes sure you don't wobble or fall. Brainstem, the survival hub. The stalk linking the brain to the spinal cord. Keeps you alive by running automatic functions. Three main parts: midbrain, reflexes and eye movements; pons, breathing, sleep, and coordination; medulla oblongata, heartbeat, blood pressure, and breathing. Everyday example: even when you're asleep, your brainstem keeps your heart beating and your lungs working. Limbic system, the emotional brain, hidden deep inside the cerebrum, called the emotional brain. Key parts: hippocampus, makes and recalls memories; amygdala, fear and strong emotions; hypothalamus, hunger, thirst, temperature, and hormones. Everyday example: smelling cookies that instantly remind you of childhood. That's your limbic system linking memory with feelings. Let's test what you've learned. Which brain part is working here?